I'm back at Lajares bus point, from where I'll be picked up by my friends from Austria, and I'll be riding with them in the car. And if you guys want to go to Corralejo or to El Cotillo from Lajares, there are buses every hour, so you can just hop in the bus. It charges less than 4 euros. When in Corralejo, make sure you enjoy the sunset and sunrise at sand dunas. There are many surf companies at Corralejo who charge you 50 euros, where you spend 2 hours on training and another 2 hours in the water. Right now I'm in Corralejo and I'm walking on the beach. There are some nice beach shacks here. Popcorn beach. The speciality about this beach is that you see little stones that looks like popcorn, and it is just few minutes walk from the Mahanicho beach.